Hey, so here's a quick tutorial on how to create a poll in Facebook. So oftentimes you want to say something in your Facebook group and you really don't want to have people going back and forth with answering the questions or responding, and you need something that you can kind of keep track of. So here is a quick way to create a poll in Facebook. So you are the administrator in this group, and this is just one of my groups. And I'm going to go to, let's see. So I created a poll here in my Google Doc. But before I get there, what you want to do is you see these options here: anonymous post, photo, video, and then poll. Click on poll, and it opens up to this space here. I'm going to go back and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste my question here. And then I'm going to paste my polling options there as well. So my first option is, let's see, and then my last one is this one. Okay. All right. Now, all I have to do is just post it. So create your poll by going into poll on the poll option under discussion, and then you just post it. Now, something cool about this is you can schedule it. You can also add a video to your post. You can add photos and so forth. So I am posting, and then there you go. There's your poll. And the cool thing about this is that as people respond, you'll get to see which one is leading. Isn't that cool? All right. So if you have any questions, just ask your questions in the comments below, and I will chat with you soon. Thanks for watching.